Melt belly fat with this simple drink. You know, the belief that being thin equals beauty has prompted many to seek ways to lose weight. Not only does losing weight help maintain an attractive figure, but it also promotes good health. Today, I invite you to discover a simple, delicious recipe using apples and red dates that can help reduce body fat, support weight loss, and let you eat freely without worrying about gaining pounds. This method is straightforward and immediately effective. It provides a strong feeling of fullness, so you'll never feel hungry. The more you eat, the more weight you can lose. Let's start by preparing an apple. Known as the king of fruits, apples are highly nutritious and packed with essential nutrients. Apples contain a variety of vitamins, carbohydrates, trace minerals, and fiber. They are a common fruit, easy to find, and offer some of the highest nutritional value among fruits and vegetables. Begin by rinsing the apple thoroughly. To cleanse the skin, add a little salt. The apple's skin is especially nutritious, rich in fiber that aids digestion and alleviates issues like bloating and indigestion. Eating apples can also help relieve constipation. Therefore, it's generally unnecessary to peel them, just wash them thoroughly with salt. Plus, apples are low in calories, with only about 52 calories per 100 grams. The malic acid in apples helps break down excess fat cells and can slow weight gain. Consuming apples regularly for about 3 weeks can reduce body fat by over 20%. Their high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overall food intake and promoting effective weight loss. Eating apples not only aids in weight reduction but also helps break down stored body fat. After rinsing, let the apples drain before preparing. Next, take 4 to 6 red dates. Place them in a bowl, add a little water to soften the skin, then sprinkle with salt and a bit of flour. Rub the dates to coat them evenly with flour. This helps remove dust and impurities from their grooves. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove the flour, then remove the pits and cut the dates into smaller pieces. Dates are highly nutritious, rich in vitamins that boost digestion, strengthen the immune system, regulate heart health, and improve skin appearance. When losing weight, a few dates can nourish your skin, making it rosier and more radiant. However, moderation is key, about 4 to 6 dates at a time, to avoid bloating, which could hinder weight loss efforts. Set the chopped dates aside for now. Next, prepare some ginger by slicing it thinly and then chopping it into small pieces. Ginger, especially when combined with chili peppers, can help burn excess fat. It contains zingerone, which stimulates stomach acid secretion, improves digestion, and aids in breaking down food. Ginger also has gingerol, which dilates blood vessels, speeds up circulation, and helps open pores, facilitating calorie burning. Incorporate a small amount of ginger into your meals when aiming to lose weight. Now cut the apple in half, then into quarters. Remove the core as it contains mild toxins and slice the apple thinly. Place the slices directly into a saucepan. Add the chopped dates and ginger, then pour enough water to cover all ingredients. Cover the pan and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for about 8 minutes. Check that the apples are tender. At this point, the nutrients from the apples, dates, and ginger will be fully released. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Next, prepare some white vinegar. Adding vinegar helps prolong satiety by slowing gastric emptying, which reduces cravings and calorie intake. It also helps detoxify the body, promoting better digestion and relieving weight gain caused by waste buildup. I used about 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Adjust according to your taste. Once cooled, add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey not only benefits the skin but also has a laxative effect, helping with constipation. Mix well until the honey dissolves completely, ensuring you add it after the mixture has cooled to preserve its enzymes and nutrients. Once everything is combined, you can drink this beverage daily before meals. Consuming it for 3 days should start showing results. With consistent use for a week, your stomach should feel flatter and lighter. This tasty recipe offers lasting fullness and is rich in nutrients. Its flavor balances tangy, spicy, and sweet notes, making it very enjoyable. For optimal weight loss, pair this remedy with a balanced diet and daily exercise. With this simple recipe, losing weight becomes easier and faster. Save it and give it a try as soon as possible, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy videos.